Hello viewers, welcome a continuation on the differentiation past questions. If we have x squared divided by 4 plus y squared divided by 9 equals to 1, we have to find dy dx at the point -4, 3. So this, we just need to perform the differentiation. I can see this expression or equation is in form of two variables. The two variables are all together, not having independent or dependent variable. So what we are going to do is that we are going to solve it and differentiate each of the terms separately, because I'm seeing y and x. So if you perform differentiation with respect to x, you will be having an implicit differentiation. So let's take a look at how we are going to do that. So if I have x squared divided by 4, y squared divided by 9, all equals to 1, the first thing I am going to do is to reduce this fraction to become a whole number. So looking out for the LCM of 4 and 3, that is going to be 36. So we multiply. Through by the LCM of 36. So in the case of this, you'll be having 36 times x squared divided by 4, 36 times y squared divided by 9, 36 times what? 1. The aim of the multiplication is to reduce the fractions. So we know 4 will go into 36 9 times. The 9 will multiply the x squared. So 9x squared. 9 also divide 36 4 times, multiplying the 4 and the y squared. That will be 36 times 1, 36. So now I am going to perform differentiation or differentiating each individual terms. So differentiating each term with respect to x, obviously, we are going to have a record that if you have y equals to x exponent n, and you are to differentiate the y with respect to x, you'll be having nx exponent n minus 1, as in using the power to multiply, then we subtract 1 from the power. So in that case, this 2 will be multiplying this. Don't forget, we are doing the differentiation with respect to x. So that gives us 18x, 2 minus 1, that will be 1. So we maintain the 1 there, plus here we are having the 2 coming forward to multiply. That gives us 4 times 2, that will be 8. Then y squared minus 1, that will give us 1. But this differentiation is with respect to x, not respect to y. So if you have d dx of y, you are going to have dy dx. If you differentiate a y function, d dx, it means we are going to perform the differentiation of the term there, and that will give us dy dx. So anytime we are doing implicit differentiation with respect to x, when we finish differentiating the y term, we introduce dy dx. So this is going to be dy dx added onto it equals to, if I differentiate any constant, I will get 0. So I'll be having 0 at the right hand side. So now the attention is on what? Dy dx. So I can see dy dx here. So let's group like terms, so to say. So I'll be maintaining my 8y dy dx equals to minus 18x. You see that this is a positive 18. When it's transposed to the right, it becomes negative. We are picking this, just dy dx can be taken like, let's say, p. It will become 8yp, right? So in order to eliminate the 8y away from the p, we divide by the 8y. So the same way, you are going to divide both sides by 8p. How do you call it? 8y, right? Okay, so dividing both sides by 8y will give you dy dx on its own equals minus 18x divided by 8y. I guess we divide both sides by this, maintaining this as a single term will clear away the 8y. Now I can see between the 18 and 8 there's a common factor of 2, so I can reduce that. Dy dx will be equals to negative 9x divided by 4y. So this is what the dy dx is going to be. But we have to find dy dx at the point minus 4, 3, meaning this is the x component, this is the y component. I can see the dy dx is made in terms of x and y. So I can say that at minus 4, 3, my dy dx will be equals to, the first part will be minus 9 into bracket the value of what? X going to be minus 4 divided by the 4, the value of y going to be 3. Let's manage the space here and say that our dy dx will be equals to, you can see in this case, this will give you 36. If you multiply this, you'll be getting 36. Then 36 divided by 4 will be giving us what? 9. So it means this will cancel this. This 3 will also go here 3 times. But negative is positive. So our answer is just going to be 3. That is negative 9 times negative 4, positive 36. 3, 4, 12. 36 divided by 12 will give us 3. So at the point minus 4, 3, the dy dx of this function will be reduced to 3. I'm sure you followed through from the beginning. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Facebook, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.